In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host multiple WordPress sites on Hostinger in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a blogger looking to manage several websites or running a small business with multiple domains, this guide will seamlessly help you set up your additional websites on Hostinger. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to go to Hostinger's dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Manage button. This will lead you to the central control panel where you can oversee your existing websites and initiate the process of adding more. Next, find the Website section on the dashboard and click on Add Website. This is the key to expanding your domain collection. By doing this, you'll trigger the setup process for a new website within your Hostinger account. As you proceed, select Other when you're asked about the type of website you're adding. This step is crucial because it supports non-standard or custom site arrangements, offering you greater flexibility and control over your web setup. You'll then encounter a couple of steps where you'll simply click Skip. The first skip bypasses the auto payment offers for domain and hosting plans, assuming you already have these set up. These skips keep things streamlined and prevent any unnecessary hurdles, allowing you to focus on configuring your new WordPress site effectively. Now, here's where you choose to use an existing domain. This option is perfect if you've already registered a domain name elsewhere but want Hostinger to host your website. It's a convenient way to consolidate your digital presence under one roof without needing to transfer domain registrars. In the following step, you'll type in your existing domain name. Be meticulous here, make sure there are no typos, as any error could lead to problems later on. Once you're confident you've entered the correct domain, click Continue. The final step is straightforward. After verifying the details, click Continue again to confirm and complete the setup. Hostinger will process the information and finalize the integration of your new site with your existing account. And there you have it, a simple yet detailed approach to hosting multiple WordPress sites on Hostinger. By following these steps, you now have the capability to efficiently manage multiple domains, all under one convenient platform. Don't forget to explore further settings on Hostinger to optimize your websites for the best performance. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting!